Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this topic I am going to teach a problem on retaining wall. So I have a problem. This is a question given and this is a question. Start reading this. Let's start the video. First of all, read question properly. A trapezoidal retaining wall 9 meters high is 2 meters wide at the top and 4 meters at the bottom. It retains earth on its vertical face in level with the top of the wall. Find the maximum and minimum stresses at the base of the retaining wall. Take specific weight of masonry and earth or 22 kilonewtons per meter cube and 20 kilonewtons per meter cube. Angle of repose of the earth is 30 degrees. Okay, this is question given in the question. Some data is here to use height and top width and bottom width, repose angle, the is unit weights of earth and masonry here. So this is a given question, has some data, and next is visual given data should be write down here and draw a rough figure like this. This is top width A, this is bottom width is B, this is B is given 4 meters and A is given 2 meters, and this is the total height of the dam is 9 meters. Okay, and the masonry unit weight is 22 kilonewtons per meter cube and unit weight of earth is 20 kilonewtons per meter cube. Okay, this is GL, this is ground level, this is whole or the ground level, this is ground level, this is all the ground level, this is ground level, and we have to find, first step is to find self weight of retaining wall. This is trapezoid section, so trapezoid section always have the formula is constant, that is capital W equals to A plus B by 2 of 1 into H into Wm. Okay, this is a formula of trapezoid section formula. This is very important. The formula is A plus B by 2 of into H, capital H into Wm. Wm means unit weight of masonry is 22. Okay, here A is 2 meters and B is 4 meters and H is 9 meters. So we should all the values put in the formula. Then you got the value 594 kilonewtons for self weight of retaining wall. Okay, Next step is horizontal earth pressure. The horizontal earth pressure formula is half into WH square by WH square by 2, sorry, or I can WH of 1 minus sin deflect by angle, this is angle also, 1 plus sin theta. Okay, we can say it's a this is a deflect, this is deflect angle, but you also say we can use this is an angle 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus deflect by 1 plus sin deflect. Okay, and the formula, all the values put in the formula. Small h and capital H is same here. Why? Because this is not a water, this is a ground level, so this is earth, so the 9 meters height is same, and small h and capital H, so we should applying 9 meters into 1 minus sin theta 30 by 1 plus sin 30, then you got 270. P acts at the height of 9 by 3 meters from the base. This is pressure act as the base, from base 3 meters. Okay, sorry. The third step is W passes through CG, center gravity of wall, cross section distance of x bar from ED. Okay, from base a square plus AB plus B square by, sorry, a square plus AB plus B square by 3 of A plus B. Here the values are putting in a square plus 2 into 4 plus B square, B 4 square by 3 of 2 plus 4, then 28 by 18 equals to 1.56 meter. This is always the measure parameters are meters. The fourth step is resultant force. The resultant force cuts the base at the distance of Z from Z means x bar. We already calculated x bar is 1.56 and P by W H x value is W by P by W into H by 3. Then we got 2.92 meter. Fifth step is eccentricity E value is Z minus B by 2. Z value is 2.92 meter, Z value is 2.92 meter, and B value is 4 meters. So Z minus B by 2, then 2.92 minus 4 by 2, then we got 0.92 meter. The sixth step is maximum set the toy. The Pmax is stress max is W by B of 1 plus 6E by V. So we already have self weight W. Capital W indicates capital W always indicate self weight of structure. We should find capital W by B of 1 plus 6E by B. Already we know the total value self weight is 594 by 4 of 1 plus 6 into 0.92. E value is already we have already gotten. See here we already got E value is 0.92. Then we submit in the formula, we got the answer is 353.43 kilonewtons by per meter square. V minimum is 56.43. This is a formula of retaining wall. You have any doubt in this? You have any doubt about this formula, about this question? Ask in comment section. If you like this video, give a like. Friends, I have any mistake, and please, I have a poor weak in language, so